The clients wanted a house that was easy living, timeless. They preferred the traditional look. The house is a gabled form house connected with flat roofs, not too many forms, very simple forms. And then the two gables run all the way through to the north side. From the lawn looking back at the house, they're all glass. The fact they're all glass means that we get a lot of light into the interior, and that's managed by the texture of the shutters, which I actually love. From the lawn you can see the texture of the shutters, which we can adjust. It is just one cladding, and it's all the one colour as well. We like the white because it's simple and quite sculptural, and also you focus on the forms.
We've used a very earthy, neutral base. We've got a lot of texture in the form of timber, both on the floor and in elements of the joinery. There's stone used in the kitchen. We have a threshold here between the timber flooring and the tile that does have a visual break between outdoor and in, but I think it merges quite well the way the doors stack back and we invite the exterior into the interior. We're north facing, the sun tracks beautifully through the living spaces, and that connection to that space is all important with how materials flow from inside to outside and making it one space.
So we've designed the house so that every room gets beautiful light and sun. Some parts of the house we want to control that, so we have eaves and adjustable louvered roofs. The stair is a nice simple sculptural element with a lovely timber edge. It's located near the entry and it catches the light in the morning. I think even though we designed some very large houses, I think that the future is actually smaller houses. It's a wee bit of a cliche, but you can achieve what you want in a house if it's well planned, using good quality products and materials. You know, you'd need less space, you need to heat it less, all those things.
It's a home that I think, well, is very comfortable and it's warm and it's light, and I think it's an inviting place to be, and I think in that sense it's a successful outcome for the clients.